Hello everyone and welcome back with me Sanahan in the Artnivora Design Studio. So, how was your day? Are you ready for another design today? Well, at this occasion we will make another logo, Pitanga logo, using grid with Adobe Illustrator. So you guys before have requested and asked us on the comment section for another great video, great Adobe Illustrator video. But now, especially for you, we have a client that requested this kind of logo. So here we have it special for you. Okay guys, so now I have all the tools that I need with me and we are ready to go to work. Let's get started. So, as you can see on the screen right now, we have a Pitanga picture. We will transform this little fruit into an initial logo. So guys, we will start with a sketch. I'm using Photoshop and we will try to get some ideas from this picture. Considering to this big project, we must fit the style of the logo to a digital look because based on the company request. I think we can put a letter P between them. Okay, now we are moving to Adobe Illustrator. First, we have to create a new project with arbor size 1000 by 1000 pixels. Import the sketch on the workspace. Click View and Show Grid. Set the transparency in the layer setting. And then we can create a new layer on it. We are trying to fit the sketch into the grid, so we have to lock the sketch layer. Before we draw the shape of the object, make sure the snap to grid is checked. Okay, now we will start with the ellipse tool and then choose blank color for the fill. Simply drag it by holding Shift to make a perfect circle. Scale it up to fit the sketch and grids. Press Ctrl C and then Ctrl F to paste right in front of the first object. Duplicate the object by holding Alt. Then just transfer the new object flip vertically. So now you can see we have a perfect balanced object. Repeat the same actions for create bottom objects but flip it in horizontally. Then you can just make a grid system before anything else to get an ideal proportion and balance. Use line tools, draw like this while holding Shift to make a consistent straight line. Duplicate the lines with holding Shift and Alt. Yeah, we can use the same tricks and try to create other objects. Now we are going to make beautiful lips. Okay, the grid has been done, and now select all the objects. Then duplicate them for backup. Select all the grid objects, then with the shape builder, we will make the actual logo shape. Select the shape builder tool and make the color black. Just keep dragging till all object is built. Ta-da! It looks awesome, isn't it? Now we have the logo shapes in perfectly precision. Okay, now we have arrived into the funniest step and the most enjoyable, in my opinion, and that is the coloring one. So firstly, we have to select the object, then click the gradient tools, and then choose the linear. Find the best looking color, the most enjoyable one. And then click again the gradient tools and make the brighter color on the top. Okay, we'll continue the process with these tools, these gradient tools. The next process is making the shadow. Use the backup of the grid to create a shadow, so you will get precision shadow too. Use the shape builder again to create objects. Make rectangle tools and will masking the shadow color. Make another gradient color. Change the light direction. It's saying the brighter color is on the top. Click the shadow object and then click transparency. Then make a mask. Okay, now back to the grid backup. We will choose these lines. It's gonna be the highlight of the logo. Just do it with the same technique. Then draw the light of the lips out of the same technique. We are using the same technique for the lips too. It's easy. Okay, then add the name. Choose the right font. There are many fonts, so we have to choose the right one. Make a different logo layout. Okay, that's it. Was it hard? Did you enjoy the process? Well, I hope you enjoy the process. So in the future, of course, we will make another videos for you. So please tell us in the comment section if you have any suggestions for the next videos. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And see you again in the Artnivora Design Studio with me, Sanahan.